Hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to draw the utility curve that shows the number of workers against the utility per worker that we discussed in this week's lecture. Okay, so the data that I used to draw this utility curve is found in your tutorial, in the tutorial on urban growth. So question number 1, formation of new cities. So I will upload this document after this together, and you have to watch this video together with the Word document in order for you to understand what I'm doing. So it says there, formation of new cities. Consider a region with a workforce of 12 billion in a single city. The urban utility curve reaches its maximum with 3 million workers and includes the following combination. So there's a matrix, or there's a table of number of workers in millions against utility per worker. Utility in terms of dollars. It's expressed in terms of dollars. Now, what it says there is workers. So you have 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, up until 12 million workers. Okay. On the what do you call it, on the x-axis. On the y-axis, which is the utility, okay, so you have for 1 million worker, you have the utility is $32. 2 million utility increases to $56. 3 million workers, utility increases to $70. So it says that in the question itself, in the statement preceding the table, the urban utility curve reaches its maximum with 3 million workers. So after 3 million, okay, the optimum level of the number of workers in the city, okay, the utility then drops. So when 3 million becomes 4 million, the number increases to 4 million workers, okay, the utility now becomes $65. So if you compare that, 3 million workers, you have $70, 4 million workers, $65, 5 million workers, you have $60, 6 million workers, $55. So the peak of the utility or the optimum level of utility is at 3 million workers. Okay, so how do I draw the curve? It's just plotting, okay, on this on this graph paper. Okay, so we have the y-axis, we have the x-axis. Okay, x-axis. So here is the number of workers. Wait, let me do this in a clearer. Number of workers. And this is the x-axis, right? X-axis. The y-axis, you have the utility. Utility per worker expressed in dollars. So this one, number of workers in millions. Okay. So according to the table, you have up until 12. So we have we have 1, 2, 3. We used every square. Okay, this one 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. So this is 5 million. Okay, 5 million, 10 million workers, 15 million workers. So you have that up until 12 only. So doesn't matter. I use up until 15 million. Now utility. So utility is expressed. The maximum is 70. So I use for each for each square. Okay, this one is 5. Okay, $5. So you have here $25, 25, 50, $75. Okay. Now, how do you plot it? It's like this. Okay. Okay, refer to the table again. So it says at 1 million, the utility is 32. So 25, 30, 32 is about here. Okay. Then you have 2 million, 56. So 2 million workers, 56 is this 50, 55, 56 is about here. Then 3 million is 70. So you have 1, 2, 3 million, 70, which is 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So it's here. 4 million, 65. So 4 million, you have 65, which is about 70 here. So that's how you plot, okay, the graph 65. 5 million, 60. So 5 million workers, you have 60, which is here. Then 7 million workers, 50. 6 million 55. 6 million 55, which is here. 7 million 50. So 7, 50. 8, 45. So 8. Okay, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 45, which is here. 9, 40. So 9 is 40. 25, 30, 35, 40. Betul lah. Then you have 10, 35. So 10, 25, 30, 35 here. Then 11, 30. So 11, you have 30 is here. 12, you have $25. 12, 10, 11, 12, you have 25. So it's here. So if you plot it, or if you connect the lines, okay, the lines going through, or the titik, what is the titik? The points. If you go and draw a line through the points, you will find that the shape is inverted, like what we learned in class. So this is how you draw the utility curve. Okay.